From the gravel strip at Lake Hood in Anchorage, it is a 50-minute flight across the Alaskan Delta.
Is this better than Continental? Much better than Continental.
We are flying into the upper Yetna River Basin, part of the Kachatna watershed. The Lake Marie Lodge was carved out of homestead land in the late 80s. Cutting out the landing strip supplied an on-site lumber mill to build the lodge. From the Lake Marie Lodge, when it's not hidden by clouds, you can see Denali in the distance. And always you are surrounded by Alaskan wilderness. These are the fishing waters close by, secluded places, 7 streams within 3 miles of the lodge. Sunsets are late in the summertime, but ease you into a comfortable rest.
Yeah, we're all going to be rolling and fishing together. It's a pretty good size
Day
piece
1,
of water.
guide Nate Fry prepares the crew.
Size. And then upstream of there's a couple little pockets of slack water where chums like to hang out. So if you guys want to try your hand at catching a chum salmon.
We 4-wheel drive some, and then we hike in. Crossing fast streams, sometimes linking arms to keep our balance. Reaching a confluence of creeks and streams, each a different highway for migrating salmon. We are catching silvers, also known as coho salmon. They aren't really hungry, but they are pulling in to rest on the way to spawning waters.
On the top!
You guys keeping fish this week, James?
We're gonna keep a few.
All right. Whew, it's a nice hand. Oh, that's a buck. I'd say pushing 6.
Face close-up. You ready for your close-up?
Good picture.
We are also catching chum, or dog salmon, ferocious fighters.
Yeah, buddy.
There he is. Look at here. Look at that fish. Get him up. He ain't fighting too hard. I don't know how he's going. He figured out. Look at that dog. Look at him.
You out there, James?
That big dog. That's pretty fish.
Yeah, I love those stripes.
Great day to be here. Great day to be alive. God's done a great job up here, ain't he?
Under the guidance of guides, we fish among grizzly tracks all around us. And the shotguns are kept close, but there is an understanding between man and beast. The bears fish very early and very late, and we fish during the day. The daily limit is 3 silvers each. Dozens more are released.
Not bad for day 1.
You guys look like a bunch of tough cowboys here.
Yeah.
And our guides Nate Fry and James Pizzala, talented musicians, entertain at night. And fly tying at the bench is the other entertainment, tying up tomorrow's killer lure. As the wilderness gives slowly away to a late dusk.
Hey, bear. Coming through.
It's day 2 and we're going salmon fishing. If there's fish there, I figure we'll figure out how to catch them.
I bet there's some spots for extended periods of time there.
Down to the river, you see how soft the muskeg and delta can be. After a river ride, the salmon get bigger on the deeper water.
Yeah, just hide that little one with the leg.
This is a nice little one to get.
Silver salmon. The most acrobatic of all the species. See that?
Yeah.
Ninja fish.
And there's rain. The moist ocean air hitting the mountains brings us a shower almost every night. On a tin roof, if you're dry, not so bad. But if you were outside cleaning fish...
Check out my new racing stripe, Ron. I was just out there cleaning fish during that little fiasco.
Dinners are hearty and served on a big table cut from one large spruce. Our mornings begin with sizzle in the kitchen and a lot of coffee.
Here's to another good day, a great day.
Great day.
We need a great day.
Great day. That's it.
Yeah, buddy!
Nice fish. We're going to keep him for lunch.
Yeah, buddy.
We're not in a hurry. That's a pretty one.
Yeah. Day 3, we're at Ferry Hole, one of the hottest holes in the entire Johnson Creek drainage, where all these fish have to pull in before they head up Red Creek to spawn. Even fish that are heading up Johnson Creek are going to pull out here because we got a little freshwater, siltwater cocktail, which is preferable to their usual full silty run water. So, we're going to line them up and pull them out.
Hey, Robert, what are you doing, Chris?
Day 3, and the holes continue to explode with salmon.
See what we got. Oh, you got a red one.
Is it?
Yeah. Bring him on up here.
Pretty fish.
I like that.
Look at her.
Hold him up.
All
Make him talk,
right.
Ron.
Hey, baby. Sorry about that.
The Silvers dance. And provide us with a shore lunch. Salmon rich in color and rich in taste, as it turns out.
Got some potatoes here, some onions, butter, lemon pepper, salt, garlic. Charcoals, 40 minutes, perfect. Grab one of those lemon wedges and just eat a whole either. Once those things simmer down like that, they're pretty tasty.
Rating on that's 10, the best you can get.
And there are more than just salmon to catch. Arctic grayling,
As they get bigger, they'll get purple on their gills. You can see a little hint of it here.
Pretty little fish.
and Dolly Vardens. Big rainbows. They follow the salmon spawn and grow fat and big.
Look at that, leopard rainbow. Out of the Otter Creek drainage, getting fat on steak and eggs. Look at this thing, nice fish, Phil.
Still only 20.
20. But the girth is the amazing thing. This thing's, so that'd be 12 inches in girth.
Woo!
Eagles, you might think you should quietly approach for your view, but it turns out they aren't shy. They own these rivers that we are just visiting. Another storm. And Denali National Park and the Alaska Range will glow again at nightfall.
Wet, cool, great.
Beautiful.
Should be some rainbows right under these shrubs right there. This is Red Creek. This is the clearest water you'll see here at your stay at Lake Murray Lodge. We got some good holds around these first couple bends for everything. Silver salmon and rainbows are what we're targeting. Gonna use some egg patterns and some flash flies.
It was a week of fly fishing heaven, that annual trip of a lifetime,
Clipping upstream,
fleeting,
sight fishing.
but calling you back.
Watching fly come right by me. If you stand real still, you can see them right out there, Ron. Come get this one.
Oh Marie, oh Marie, oh Marie, oh Marie, it's this country, 'tis of thee. You must be, you must be, you must be, you must be, you must be a wild woman. Lake Marie, Lake Marie, Lake Marie, Lake Marie. Once in a while, I bathe in thee. Just out back, just out back, just out back, just out back. Just past the guide shack, where we lay our heads. Well, fall time come, you've been drinking beer and having fun, waiting for some lakefront fish to appear. If you were back out east, you were chasing around a different beast. Savalina Spondalis is a land name. And if you were on out west, many a friend claim it's the best. You were drifting and fishing rivers wide and clear. And if you were in the last frontier, well, moose season's over, so you've been drinking beer, talking to all your friends how winter's near. At Lake Marie, Lake Marie, oh Lake Marie, Lake Marie. Once in a while, I think of thee. Just out back, just out back, just out back, just out back, just past the guide shack, where we lay our heads. Well, now winter's come and we're still drinking beer and having fun, and deer season's over, so freezer's full. Some folks got their Vexlar out, some folks are brewing oatmeal stout, and some folks are hunkered down and are working hard. In the holidays we're mostly white, and the fires inside were burning bright, and you gave and received them things for all our